happy to tell you I was very flattered to get a couple of emails from Terry Real and Janina Fisher, both who presented for me over many years, and they said, we're thinking of doing something together. Might you be interested? And I said, would I? So we arranged a phone call, and they told me about this idea they had to present a workshop that really integrates Janina's background working with trauma and Terry's background and training in working with couples. So it's how do you treat couples when trauma is obviously an issue in their lives and in their past. So they'll be coming together at the end of May this year for 2 days, really looking at this issue. They're both known to be, and if you've been to their workshops, they're both excellent speakers. They have a lot of energy. They engage so wonderfully with audiences, and they'll be working together for these 2 days. So if you work with couples at all, you're interested in the issue of trauma in couples, this workshop obviously is one for you.